Welcome back to the Little Miss Sawtooth Star Quilt Along. I'm Melanie Traylor. We are on block number 6. Block number 6, and we are making Brianna today. Brianna is fussy. She's difficult, she's tedious, she's got tiny little pieces, and she's a lot of work. I think we all have somebody like that in our life. We have to just love people for who they are, not who we want them to be. So we're gonna get through Brianna, and she has really great places that you could fussy cut if you're not me. Let's go put Brianna together. Just for reference, these are my A fabric, B fabric, and C fabric. I've gone ahead and drawn a line on the back of all my C squares. We're going to just move these aside for now, work with our B and C's. So I'm gonna take my C square, I'm gonna put it right there, flush with the bottom, and the diagonal line is going this way. So I'm gonna do that for the rest of these. Now I'm going to go sew directly on all of the drawn lines for all of these. There's what they look like. So I'm gonna take the 1/4 inch line of my ruler, I'm gonna line it on top of my stitch line and then cut the corner off. And then repeat that for these others. Let's press to set our seams. And then one at a time, we'll push these open and press. And I'm gonna do that for these other 3 too. So now we'll do the opposite, and we will take these other C squares and we're gonna put them the opposite way as our first one we did, so that the diagonal line is going this way. So when you open it up, it'll look like that. Do this for these. And then I'm gonna go sew on all of these drawn lines. So let's trim these corners off again, just like we did before, lining up our 1/4 inch line on top of our stitches and cutting. Let's press to set our seams, and then one by one, we'll push out these corners, just like before. Let's throw some starch on and press. Let's do our layout now. Okay, so now I'm gonna go sew this row together, and this row together. Let's press to set our seam, and then we'll press this seam open. Flip it over and press, and this is a very bulky seam. Just go slow and use your starch. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing with row 1 that we did with row 2. And then go sew right over here. Press to set our seam, and then we're gonna open this seam up one more time. And then I'm gonna throw some starch on it and press one more time. We've completed our inner unit. Make sure my seams get flat. And then let's go ahead and build the rest of our pieces around the inner unit. So you know what to do from here. Let's get this block made. So there is Brianna.